Alright, so we're going to do a pod review today on this plant right here. And this is called the orange jalapeno, but this is a short version of the orange jalapeno. And I'm not sure why it's so short, but all the pods that came off of this plant so far are very short like this. They're not like a regular shaped jalapeno that looks like that. These are short and yellow, but they taste like jalapenos because I had already eaten one of these. And I know what they taste like, and they're quite good, to be honest with you. So let's pick this one off the plant, show you what that looks like. A good view of that. Not sure what best angle is here of light. It's really hard to tell. And that's it right there. And don't know much about it, just know it's an orange jalapeno, short one, snubby, dubby, lubby, little jalapeno. Let's turn you around and give it a go. Alright guys, we're doing another pod review today. It's going to be on this pepper right here, and this pepper is called the orange jalapeno. Yes, it's a short version of a orange jalapeno. Next year I am going to be growing the orange jalapeno numex, which is the true version and true consistent shape and variety of the orange jalapeno, rather than all these little bizarre little shapes that keep coming out of these other orange jalapenos that I've been buying seed for from different seed companies and whatnot, trying out the seed to see what comes out of them, and this is what I'm getting. So it looked very similar to the yellow, mini yellow stuffing pepper or something. Looks very similar to that, but it's definitely not the same thing, because that pepper has almost no flavor to it, and this tastes like a jalapeno. So without any further ado, let's give it a bite. A little bit thick wall. Has a slight jalapeno type flavor. No heat on this one particularly. The last one I ate had some heat on it. This one doesn't. This particular one has very, very low heat. Maybe 100 on a stove. I mean, almost nothing. It tastes like almost nothing. But it does have a little tiny bit of heat. And it does have a slight type of jalapeno type flavor. But it's more sweet than jalapeno flavor. Now, I grew these the first year. And they came out a lot different. They looked more of an orange jalapeno. And they had nice form, and they tasted like jalapenos a lot, and they had the heat of a jalapeno. The second year growing these, they're coming out a little different. So I'm led to believe that the original seed that I got for this was some kind of a hybrid to get the orange jalapeno, because they didn't come out true the next year. But I figured I would do a video on this and kind of give you a taste test on it, because I don't necessarily know if I'm going to offer seed to this, because I can't guarantee you it's going to come true. I mean, I could offer it, but I can't even say whether it's an F1, 2, 3. I don't know. It's just an unstable variety. So maybe I'll make these available as a an orange jalapeno nub, and then you could try growing that out and see if you can get it to more stabilize a little better, and see if you get a better flavor from it. But that's how I got the pepper, and that's the stages that it went through. But it's still a good pepper. I still like eating it. I'm just surprised there wasn't much heat on this one. The other one I ate earlier had more heat on it than this. This was virtually sweet. It's the end of the year, guys. It's almost November, so it's probably not going to make the same kind of heat. Though it does have some heat on it, it's just not very much. Nowhere near as even a mild jalapeno. So it's kind of low. But I do know these can get a lot warmer than when I just taste this. And as far as the flavor goes, it was very nice, very smooth, very easy to eat. You can easily add this to any kind of a dish that you would add regular green bell pepper to, or even jalapenos, though you're not going to probably get much of a jalapeno flavor, but it's a light in jalapeno flavor, but it's more or less probably better for just frying and that kind of cooking like that, in my opinion. You could eat a salad fresh too. I mean, there's nobody saying how you could actually apply it, but I do think this would probably be best for frying or something to that nature. Alright, so that was just a quick pod review on the orange jalapeno nub. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.